Hey, what's going on? It's Rick here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Pixel 5, the Pixel 5 case, and the Pixel Buds. Now, I do want to give a big thank you to Google for sending these out to me for review. And we're going to start with the Pixel 5. This is a 5G capable phone, and I've got it in what is called Sorta Sage. I got to tell you, as a Mandalorian fan, this reminds me of Baby Yoda in its color. If it reminds you, leave a comment down below or hit that like button to let me know. But let's go ahead and crack open the box here. We're simply going to pull down those tabs on either side and then lift up and off. And here's the phone itself. We're going to come back to that in just a few moments here. Let's set that aside. Underneath the tray that the phone sits in, we've got the usual pamphlet or documentation, followed by, yeah, you guessed it, we actually get a wall charger in the box. So you don't have to worry about digging one out or going to the store and picking one up. You get one inside of the box, and you can see USB-C right there. Alongside of that, we get a USB-C cable that'll go to that wall charger as well as the phone. And then we also have an adapter there and your SIM card removal tool. That is the only screen protection you'll need to pull off of the phone. And let's just take a look all the way around. You're going to see your rocker buttons for volume, your sleep awake, as well as down below, all the usual suspects here. I do believe there's probably a speaker underneath the glass because I hear some noise coming from there as well. Along the side, we've got a SIM card tray, and then up along the top, yeah, we do not have a headphone jack on this. This does support wireless charging, and it is waterproof as well. Along the back side, you're going to see what this looks like alongside of that fingerprint sensor and your camera arrays that you'll see. As we power this on, you're going to see the Google logo as well as some of the details instructing you on how to set up the phone. But that's where I'm going to leave it here. On the Pixel 5, I'll come back and talk to some of its other features in a future video, but that is your unboxing experience. Let's move right on along to the Pixel 5 case. This is the official case, and it comes in a number of colors. I've got this particular one here, and this is really interesting because as we kind of open it up here, I'm going to show it to you up close. It is a fabric material, and I'll pop it on the Pixel 5 and give you kind of an overview of how much protection it's going to provide. I'll also talk to how everything lines up, button presses and all of that. But you know, what I find really especially interesting about this, as you're getting a glimpse here, take a look at this. Right on the inside, it tells you machine wash delicate and then air dry. So you can clean this in your machine. Your washing machine, it looks like, which is really interesting. So here is the case. Let's go ahead and pop the phone into it. You'll see that that kind of lined interior is very plush. It's very nice. You don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched up on the inside. Just simply lay it in place like this and then push down. And it'll snap right into place. It fits very snug. You don't have to provide excessive force or anything like that. And then here's how everything's looking, how it all lines up. This is your typical snap on the back style shell case. So everything is opened up below for compatibility. It supports wireless charging, no problem at all. There are your buttons along the side. The volume rocker's kind of hidden, but it is raised up, and then you've got that sleep awake button. On the other side, it's all enclosed, and then you do have that pinhole along the top side as well. Now, those buttons, let's come back to it because I do find that the sleep awake is very responsive, as is the volume rocker. It does require a little bit of additional force than what the phone would on its own, but it works just fine. And then as you take a look at the back side of the case here, here's how it looks. And you can see that fingerprint sensor. You can see the camera array. I mean, what do you expect? It's a first-party case. It's going to work just fine. Now, one thing I will call out on the fingerprint sensor is that it does fit flush. So there's not a gap there. You don't have to worry about debris getting in between the sensor and the case itself. Onward, let's talk about those Pixel Buds, and I'm sure a lot of you have seen this, but it kind of loops right in here because this is a good accessory to pair with your Pixel 5 as a wireless solution. So let's just go ahead and crack it on open, and you get this kind of almost like an egg design on the inside. These come in a number of different colors. As we open this up, you're going to find a couple of ear tips. So you can find the right fit for you. It will appropriately fit your ears just right and give you that nice seal for good, clear sound. As we open this up, you're going to get a USB to USB-C cable for charging, if you'd like. And then it also supports wireless charging as well. And then we can also take a look at the Pixel Buds themselves. So let's go ahead and open this on up. And as we do, you'll notice on the back side, we've got a manual pairing button if you needed to do that. There's your charging port down below if you're not going to do these wirelessly. And then as we open it up, you're going to find the Pixel Buds. Now, I'm not showing you the pairing process here, but I will tell you it is simple. You've got your Pixel 5, you've got the Pixel Buds, you open it up, and they just show up on your phone and ask you to pair them. And once you've done that, you're all ready to go. It is a very simple and easy process. And here are those Pixel Buds. You'll see that little kind of stem that goes out that sits right onto your ear to keep them in place. And when you're done, you're just going to pop them back into the case itself. Case will charge them up on the go. So that's a quick unboxing of all three products by Google. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe for even more content, and I will catch you all next time. Take care.